Welcome back to Adventures with Val. I realized I have a camping trip coming up and I did not set this table up. Now, don't judge me, but this is my first time having a camp table. Normally I just use a folding table or something of the sort, but as I grow in this camping world, I want to have things that are more convenient. So this is me setting up this camping table. It is a small one, and I think I paid like either 18 or 19 bucks on Amazon for it. Now I really like it because it's so small, compact, and convenient. And here you see me just assembling it, and like I said, 1 minute tops. Shouldn't even took this long, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching Adventures with Val. And until next time, keep on trucking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure. Please, you guys, be safe. And